Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Authenticator not working. So sometimes it just bugs out and a few simple fixes can help. So say for example you have your account, okay, so this is the Authenticator, and say you have a bunch of codes added in here that will pretty much allow access to multiple accounts. And say you wish to receive some kind of code, but it doesn't arrive, it just doesn't work. How to fix it? So you just go ahead and delete that account from here, and then you go add a code and just add that once again. You can either scan with a QR code or enter a setup key. So pretty much just go ahead and re-add your account, whichever you're using here, into Authenticator, and then this should fix the issue. Also guys, let us go back into the home screen, and in here guys, you just long press on your Authenticator, go app info, and then you just force stop it. And then you go into the storage, and then you clear storage or clear the cache. If it doesn't work at all, just clear all of the storage. Let me just show you. I'm gonna clear all of the storage, and then I will go back, okay, into Authenticator. And now as you can see, it's from the fresh page. You can just start from fresh, and then you just get started and add your account once again like this, and then your codes should be good to go. Also guys, long press on Authenticator once again and make sure that your notifications are on. You might not receive the notifications because you just don't have them enabled in the settings. So just go ahead and enable them. And these fixes should help. That's pretty much it. And if our videos and tutorials help you, press like on the video and subscribe, and see you in the next one.